Hey, John here from Web Agents, making a video for you today about finding great domain names for your business. Now, if you've tried looking for a domain name, you might really struggle to find something really good because a lot of the good ones are already taken, which is true. I'm going to show you a little trick in a moment that is going to really help you to find domain names that maybe people have taken in the past, but then they let them expire because they've gone to a different business idea or whatever. And there's heaps of them. I tell you right now, there's heaps of great domain names that people registered and then they decided just to let go. And I can show you where to find them. But before we do that, so let's say you want some ideas for what domain names are available and that are really cool. So there's this really good website called namemesh.com. namemesh.com. And if you go there, and let's say your business is all about mugs, you sell mugs, all you do is you just type your word here and click on generate, and then what this program will do, or what this website will do, it's gonna search for you domain names that are available that have got mugs in it. Okay. All right. So here's the results. I think we're finished. Okay. So all right. So these ones here, I think these. It can be a little bit confusing because some of these are not available. Okay. So my understanding, I think all these are available. Not this one here, like this common one. I'm pretty sure they're not. But so, and you can actually see how much it'll cost you to get some of these ones, which is quite a bit of money. But here's some ones that won't cost you anything. I really like this column here, the mix one. So it gives you some great ideas of domains that are available, .coms that are available, and these ones, they're not premium, meaning you can just get them for the like $11 US per year. Alright, so these, again, it's a really good website, namemesh.com, to get ideas for a domain names that are available. Alright, let me take you to another site. This site is called expireddomains.net, and what this site does, it will show you domains that have just recently expired. And some of these domains, okay, so you're thinking, well, why would I be interested in some of these? Again, there's some really good ones because, again, people have registered them, then they've decided after a year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever, things haven't worked out, or they just haven't done anything with them, and they just let them expire. So the fact that they were previously registered, many times they're really good domains. There's some really good domain names, and even webagents.com.au, actually, that domain. When I came about a year ago, when I was looking for a domain to register for the business, and I was happy to change the name of the business because previously it was just johnlegatarcus.com, and I wanted to move away from my name and have more of a branded business name, which makes it easier to expand and sell later. So I was looking, I was open for ideas, and I came to expireddomains.net, and I saw webagents.com.au just recently expired, and it had a lot of backlinks to it already. It was a really short domain name. It's expressed really well what I do, which is digital marketing agency, helping businesses with their online presence. So I grabbed it, and it's been great. So what you do, basically, you come here and you can do a search, and it's really, there's a lot of things you can do. Okay, so let's say I'll just click on search here. It's been a while since I've used it. Okay, let's go. I'm going to go into the expired domains. Here we go. So expired domains. It's showing me 208,000. Well, I'll tell you, there's a lot of them. A lot of domains being registered every day and a lot of expiring every day. And to sign up, you can sign up for free to see all of them. And I'm pretty sure I've got a free account. So with a free account, you can use more filters. Actually, I'm going to try to log in. Yep, there we go. Log in. All right, great. So with a free account, there's so much more you can see. So I'm in the deleted domains, and so let's say I want a .com.au, for example. Here we go. Cool. Beautiful. Found it. All right. Sorry, it took me a little while. So yeah, in deleted domains, then ccTLDs, I can, like, again, there's so many different filter options. That's just one filter option. I'm just looking at recently expired .com.au domains. There's 14,525 of them. So you can do more filters, right? So you can do other filters, like, let's say you want to have the word mug in it, okay, like we said before. So you want it to contain the word mug, and there's so many filters here. Yeah, look, I don't want any numbers, I don't want any hyphens. Okay, so let's say that those are my filters. All right, let's see what we have available. So here we go. We got 2 pages full. And so we got Smug Shop, Mugly, premiermugs.com.au. Wow, that's a pretty good domain name. So what does it tell me about this? It tells me LE, number of characters in the domain name. It tells me how many backlinks. Wow, this one's already got 68 backlinks, which is not, look, that's not a huge amount, but it's already got backlinks to the site, which helps with your ranking. The number of backlinks from different domains. So these 68, it looks like they're all coming from one domain, which is not fantastic. Number of core results. The birth year of the domain. Okay, so this domain was first registered in 2009, which is great, right? Because Google does look at that when they're ranking your domain, they do look at how old it is. And even though this domain expired, if you register it, Google doesn't care that it expired and then someone new registered. All they know is this domain's been around since 2009, which is 10 years, which is fantastic. So, and you can look at the other, stats and whatever. So dropped, I think this is when it became available. So it was 143 days ago that premiermugs.com.au was not re-registered and became available. And they've actually sorted the results by when they've become, how long ago they became available. And look, but as you go through this, sometimes let me just go to the next page and see what other results are there. There was Mug City, that was a really good one. Just Mugs, so some really good domain names. So let's go back. I want to reset this filter. And so right now I'm just .com.au domains. So let's say I'm interested in a domain that's been around for a while and has lots of backlinks. So maybe I'll sort it by ABY, the birth year. So here we go. This one's been around since 1996. Oh my goodness. And go for ones that have got lots of backlinks too. Wow. Look at these. Some of these sites. Oh, here we go. Harmonology. I don't know what that means, but it's been around since 1997. It's got 1,400 backlinks to it. Well, that could be really good. I mean, it's not a great domain name, but if it means something to you, it could be really, really good. Let's keep looking. What else has got lots and lots of backlinks? So this one's got quite lots. Symphony.org.au. A lot of backlinks. What's RT? Number of related domains. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm gonna sort it. I'm gonna sort it by backlinks. Oh no, that's cool. Yeah, backlinks. I want to sort these results by backlinks. All right. AnzacGamers.net.au, 1.4 million backlinks from number of backlinks from different domains, only 7 different domains. Here we go. Here's a really good one, right? This one's got 217,000 backlinks from 1.2 thousand domains, different domains. It's been around for 7 years, and it was only, it says it's registered. Okay, it's only been dropped for 6 days, so maybe it needs, I'm not sure why it says registered, but yeah, it looks like we can't register that one, which is unfortunate, because this one here has been dropped for 6 days and it's available. So I don't know what the story is with that one. What else is exciting? Let's look at some of these. Oh yeah, so that's pandoracharms.com.au. It's got links from 880 different domains, 162,000. It's got been backlinks. It's been available for 13 days. Available. So that one right there, if you sell charms, it could be a great site to whip up, to grab and build something on, because you're going to be getting already a lot of traffic, most probably a lot of traffic. I mean, I don't know how much traffic. I don't know if there's an indication here of how much traffic. It doesn't really tell you here how much traffic you're going to get to the site. Yeah. So it's pretty exciting, actually, going through this expireddomains.net. Just a great opportunity, again, to find a really good domain name for a business that you're starting up, that you want a domain name for, or maybe even just coming in here and looking for opportunities for an online business. So something that already, has already got a good presence on the net, that you can register and build up a site and start making money from the existing traffic that's coming to it. So anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I really appreciate a thumbs up below. Also leave a comment, if you anything you want me to, anything specifically to this video, or if you have something you'd like me to make a video on, I'm happy to do that. I'm always checking the comments. And as always, if you need help with your online business and you're looking for someone to help you, think about Web Agents. Contact us. Best way is through our website, webagents.com.au. Thanks so much for watching this video.